Hey Facebook friends and fans, this is Sarah, and we just finished setting up at the Mavris here downtown Indianapolis on the near south side. And I just wanted to show you their table settings, which are really fun. So these branches up here, the bride made herself with the little decorations and the lights, and then the staff at Mavris hung them, and then she also made these centerpieces, which are really cool. And these are also DIY centerpieces using our flowers that she put together. So I just wanted to show you a brief look at some cool things that you can do DIY. We had nothing to do with the branches at all, and the installation again was done at Mavris by their staff, but it's so cool how the flowers just add a little interest to the table. Sorry, my shadow's in the way. It's just a simple cylinder with water and pieces of hydrangea with 3 floating candles, but it gives it a really cool look. And then they also put together these hydrangea arrangements that they bought the hydrangea and the sticks, the curly willow sticks from us, and then assembled them on their own, and they did a great job. And we did help them out with the setup. By Dwayne and I were here setting up the centerpieces for them. So anyway, thought I would just take you on a quick little trip through here, and we'll go upstairs to the ceremony area here in a few minutes, and I'll see if I can show you what we did up there.